10 Amish life hacks you'll wish you knew sooner. The Amish. They live without modern luxuries. No cars, no phones, no electricity, yet they thrive. Their secret? A lifestyle built on simplicity, hard work, and deep-rooted wisdom. They don't just survive, they flourish. And here's the thing, their way of life isn't just for them. You could take their principles and weave them into your own modern life. You don't need to ditch technology, just adopt what works. Here are 10 Amish life hacks you'll wish you knew sooner. 1. The beauty of a simple life. We rush, always, from one task to the next. Eyes glued to screens, minds cluttered with endless to-do lists. The Amish? They live differently, simpler. They wake up, tend to their land, share meals with family. They work hard, yes, but they don't overcomplicate life. They don't chase trends or stress over what's next. Ever walked into an Amish home? No clutter, no distractions, just calm, peaceful. Everything has a purpose. You can have that too. Slow down, declutter your space, cut out things that don't add value. Does scrolling social media for hours help? Probably not. Try living like the Amish in small ways. Wake up early, appreciate silence, focus on the now. Life becomes lighter. 2. Cooking from scratch, a lost art. Fast food, microwave meals, pre-packaged everything. That's modern eating. But the Amish? They cook from scratch. Flour, eggs, butter, they mix, knead, bake. No shortcuts, and you taste the difference. A warm loaf of bread, straight from the oven, nothing beats it. It's not just about taste, though. It's about control. No chemicals, no preservatives, just real, honest food. Try it. Cook one meal from scratch, then another. Bake bread instead of buying it. Grow a small herb garden. Feel the difference. Fresh food, real ingredients, it changes everything. Health improves. Money saves. Life slows down in a good way. 3. Nature's pharmacy, the Amish medicine cabinet. Headache? Drink chamomile tea. Sore throat? Honey and garlic. Stomach ache? Peppermint. The Amish don't rely on pills for everything. They use herbs, passed down through generations. Their remedies work, and science backs them up. Turmeric fights inflammation. Ginger eases nausea. Lavender calms anxiety. No chemicals, no side effects, just nature doing what it's always done. Ever tried making your own remedies? Start small. Swap your sleeping pills for chamomile tea. Use honey for a cough. Keep aloe vera for burns. Slowly, you'll realize nature has answers. You just need to listen. 4. Grow your own food, the Amish way. Picture this, a sprawling garden. Tomatoes, crisp and red. Lettuce, fresh and green. Beans climbing up a trellis. The Amish grow nearly everything they eat. No supermarkets, no processed junk, just pure, homegrown food. It's healthier, cheaper, more rewarding. And guess what? You could do it too, even in a small space. A few pots on a balcony, herbs on a windowsill. It's not about growing everything. It's about starting somewhere. The first bite of a tomato you grew yourself? Different, better. 5. Debt-free living, a quiet revolution. No credit cards, no loans, no debt. Sounds impossible, right? The Amish don't believe in borrowing money. If they can't afford it, they don't buy it. They save. They build slow. They live within their means. And because of that, they sleep peacefully at night. No stress. No creditors knocking. Modern life tells you to buy now, pay later. The Amish say wait, save, buy when you can. Try it. Cut out unnecessary expenses. Live below your means. Debt is a trap, but freedom? Freedom is priceless. 6. Quality over quantity, the Amish shopping rule. Ever noticed? Amish furniture lasts generations. Their clothes sewn to last. Their tools built sturdy. No cheap, disposable junk. They invest in quality, and because of that, they buy less. They waste less. You don't need a closet full of clothes. You need good clothes, durable ones. You don't need the latest gadgets. You need things that work, things that last. Switch your mindset. Buy once. Buy right. It saves money, saves time, and honestly, it feels good. 7. The strength of community. They help each other. Always. Need a barn? The whole village comes together and builds it. No payment, no transactions, just pure generosity. They share food, tools, skills. They barter. They rely on each other, not corporations. Imagine if we did that more. If we borrowed instead of bought. If we helped instead of hoarded. If we built strong communities instead of living in isolation. Try it. Ask your neighbor if they need help. Share what you have. Trade skills. Community isn't just nice, it's necessary. 8. Practical, not trendy. The Amish wardrobe. No brand names. No fast fashion. Just simple, functional clothes. The Amish don't chase trends. They choose what works. Clothes that last. That's it. Ever stood in front of your closet, overwhelmed? Too many choices, yet nothing to wear? The Amish don't have that problem. They keep it simple. You can too. Stick to timeless, well-made pieces. Own less but better. A good coat. Sturdy shoes. Simple shirts. Done. Getting dressed shouldn't be stressful. 9. Early mornings, hard work. Sunrise. The Amish are already up. Feeding animals. Milking cows. Working the fields. No snooze button. No scrolling in bed. They wake up and they go. Hard work is their foundation. And because of that, they get things done. A full day's work before noon. Try it. Wake up early. Set a morning routine. Work with focus. The world is quieter in the morning. Fewer distractions. More productivity. Waking up early changes everything. 10. Waste nothing. Everything has a use. Food scraps. Compost. Old clothes. Turn them into quilts. Broken tools. Fix them. The Amish don't waste. They find purpose in everything. And we throw away too much. Perfectly good food. Clothes we hardly wore. Things that could be repaired. Change that. Use what you have. Fix before you toss. Find a second life for everything. Waste less, live more. Final thought. The Amish don't have superpowers. They just live differently. Smarter, slower, more intentionally. And you can too. You don't have to give up electricity or modern conveniences. Just take the best parts of their lifestyle and apply them in your own way. Try one thing. Maybe wake up earlier. Maybe cook more. Maybe start a small garden. See what happens. Simplicity. It's powerful.